Have you ever wondered what it feels like to reach the top of a mountain? Well, mountain trekking is a journey that can take you there. It's an adventure that combines the thrill of exploration with the satisfaction of achieving a challenging goal. Imagine standing at the base of a towering peak, your heart pounding with anticipation. This is where your journey begins. Preparation is key, and it starts with a well-thought-out plan. You'll need to map out your route, taking into account the terrain and weather conditions. Next comes the physical preparation. Mountain trekking is not a walk in the park. It demands a high level of fitness. Regular exercise, strength training, and endurance workouts will help condition your body for the demanding climb. And let's not forget the gear. Your backpack should include essentials like food, water, first aid supplies, and navigational tools. The first step towards the summit is always the hardest, but remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Once you've taken your first step, the real challenge begins. Mountain trekking is not just a physical endeavor, but a mental one too. The path you tread is often unpredictable, be it the sudden changes in weather or the steep, rocky trails that test your endurance. The higher you climb, the thinner the air becomes. High altitudes can be a test of your lungs' mettle, making every breath a conscious effort. But remember, every step upward is a victory against your own limitations. Be it the relentless sun or the biting cold, the mountain has its own way of testing your resolve. And yet, it's the unwavering determination, the perseverance, and the meticulous planning that help you overcome these hurdles. You'll face muscle aches, fatigue, and moments of self-doubt. But these are the very moments that shape you, that push you to dig deeper and climb higher. Facing these challenges head-on is the essence of the adventure, but the rewards far outweigh the hardships. And then after days of toil and sweat, you reach the summit. This is the moment when everything falls into place. The world unfurls beneath you in a panorama of awe-inspiring splendor. The mountains, rivers, and valleys stretch out, a testament to the majesty of Mother Nature. Every breath of the crisp, clean air feels like a drink of the purest water, invigorating your senses, refreshing your spirit. This isn't just a physical high point, it's an emotional and psychological zenith too. It's the culmination of your journey, a testament to your perseverance and determination. The sense of accomplishment is overwhelming, a feeling of triumph over the elements, over doubts and fears. You've pushed past your limits and the reward is breathtaking. But it's more than just a physical conquest. It's an intimate connection with nature, a communion with the earth that leaves you humbled and awed. The view from the summit isn't just a panorama of the landscape below. It's a reflection of your journey, your struggles, and your triumphs. But the adventure doesn't end at the summit. The descent, a chapter often overlooked when we speak of mountain trekking. Yet, it's an integral part of the journey, a different beast altogether that poses its own unique challenges. It requires as much concentration and effort as the ascent, if not more. Imagine this. You're navigating your way down the same rocky paths, but gravity is no longer your adversary. Instead, it's pushing you, rushing you, testing your balance and control. Your knees bear the brunt of this downward journey, acting as shock absorbers while your mind works overtime to maintain your footing. It's a dance, really, a delicate ballet between you and the mountain. But amidst this intense focus, there's also a sense of tranquility. The adrenaline rush of the climb has subsided, replaced by a serene satisfaction. The journey back is a time for reflection, a time to absorb the experiences, and a time to plan for the next adventure. So, what does it really feel like to reach the top of a mountain? Let's take a moment to ponder. Mountain trekking is more than just a physical pursuit. It's an exploration of breathtaking landscapes and a challenge to our physical limits. It's a journey that begins with the first step on an untrodden path and ends with a sense of accomplishment, standing atop a summit, breathing in the crisp, clean air. The challenge of the climb, the unwavering resolve, the sheer joy of the summit experience, and the serene journey back. Each of these elements come together to form an exhilarating adventure. But more than that, it's a journey of personal growth. With each step, each breath, each drop of sweat, you learn. You learn about your strengths, your weaknesses, about resilience, and about the beauty of nature. Mountain trekking isn't just about reaching the top, it's about the journey, the experiences, the challenges, and most importantly, it's about discovering yourself.